Ukraine News on UN1.
Crimean Tatars crossed into mainland Ukraine on Sunday to vote in the presidential elections. In defiance of Moscow, many Tatars accused Russian militants and Crimea's self-appointed pro-Kremlin authorities of seeking to block their right to vote in the Ukrainian election.
It is hard psychologically to be under occupation. We were deprived of everything, of all our rights. The most important thing we were deprived of is the right to vote. We were deprived of the motherland. We woke up in the morning and it wasn't there.
The Tatars who boycotted the sham separatist referendum held in Crimea earlier this year are now feeling the effects of Russia's illegal occupation of the Black Sea Peninsula.
It turned out that we were breathing freely for the last 23 years compared to what we can feel under Russia's rule. That's why we're happy. Everything will be all right with Ukraine. We should make our contribution. I want Ukraine to flourish, and it will happen.
The United Nations and Amnesty International have raised concerns of numerous human rights violations in Crimea since Russia's annexation. Under Soviet leader Joseph Stalin, the Crimean Tatars were ethnically cleansed from the peninsula, with many fearing a similar fate under Vladimir Putin.